I did a poll recently on Facebook on this subject. And across various groups, I asked the same question: what do you struggle with the most in songwriting? Okay. And I got like over 500 responses. The first thing that came up, the most common thing that people struggled with the most, was melody. So actually writing the song, coming up with a melodic line, coming up with an idea, right? Just, the chord progression, just figuring out the music for this thing. That was the number one thing. The number two thing, incredibly, wasn't lyrics. It was promotion. So in songwriting, right? So after writing your song, getting it out there. That came across as the second biggest challenge that people had in writing a song, which is pretty interesting. The third one was lyrics. So writing the lyrics for a song, that was the third. And then after that, it was, I think, recording, finding time. There were a few other categories that came up as well. But the number one thing was melody, actually writing the song, the melodic line, and, just coming up with the actual music for the song. Then it was promotion. Then it was lyrics. For me, it has always been lyrics. Okay. I put a lot of importance on lyrics. So I spent a lot of time on them. And it's really amazing when it all comes together. It's just a beautiful thing when you're actually communicating what you want to communicate. But that is the thing that I've struggled with the most in the past. But I always get there. And one thing that I've always used as a technique, besides all the techniques that we have, and I cover this on the course as well, is to be patient. Be patient. And I found that sometimes you just got to leave it alone. Just let it sit. Too close to this thing, too involved, too desperate, okay, to get it. Leave it. Work on another song. Work on another project. If you're mixing, if you're recording, whatever you're doing, work on something else and leave that thing alone. And incredibly, when I come back, it's there. I get it. So, and invariably that's worked for me, and which is pretty cool. So there you go. That's what I struggle with the most: lyrics. And what do you struggle with the most? Let me know. Shoot me an email, guys. Feel free to ask me any question you want, and any feedback you have as well on the course, how you're doing. I love to hear from you guys. Any ideas? Once in a while, I get little snippets. Hey, what do you think of this one? And I'll even contribute and help you guys out. And for those of you who want to take it to the next level, definitely check out the Power Hour. Okay, that's that one-on-one that I do with students. It's a 1-hour video call where we write a song. You send me 3 songs that you've been influenced by in the past, and we apply the inspired writing technique or the favorite mistake technique on the songs that you've chosen, and we work on it together for 1 hour. Okay, so check that out. There's a page, there's a link on the top of the course area. Or no, I think it's actually on the side. Yeah, on the side. Like, we've changed because we recently changed platforms. So it's on the side now. On the bottom where the resources are, there is the Power Hour. Okay, so check that out if you want to take it to the next level. Thanks, guys. Take care.